Hi, I'm Brad from QueenCityLaw. I'm a senior associate here. Today I'll be talking about what bona fide means and how you can resolve those issues if it's been raised by Immigration New Zealand. This information is up to date as at February 2023. So what does bona fide mean? Generally speaking, when you make an application to Immigration New Zealand, you need to show that you have a lawful purpose for traveling to New Zealand. In general, this issue arises when you're applying for a student visa or a visitor visa. So when you're making an application, you need to ensure, depending on what category you're applying under, you have the supporting documents to show that you have a genuine purpose. I'll be going through the different type of application, mainly the visitor visa and the student visa, in terms of the documents you will need to show that you're a bona fide applicant. So what does bona fide mean in the context of a visitor visa application? When you're applying for a visitor visa, immigration's main concern is whether you have the ability to go back to your country or that you have ties to your home country. Essentially, what immigration wants is to ensure that you don't become unlawful in New Zealand. So how do you prove that? In order to prove that you have a genuine intention or that there's a minimal risk of you becoming an overstayer in New Zealand, you have to show that you have got financial ties or financial capacity to be able to travel back to your home country. You can prove this in various ways, so whether you have sufficient assets in your home country or whether you have employment. Or if you have family ties in your home country as well, that's another way to show that you've got a reason to return to your home country. Whether you're in a relationship or you're still living with your parents, whether you're still studying in your home country, or whether there's a particular time that you need to return to your country of origin by way of employment. In the context of a student visa, what immigration ultimately wants to know is whether you're really wanting to study the course that you've applied under. So there's a number of factors that immigration will look into. For example, if you've already completed a high qualification, let's say a bachelor's degree, and then suddenly you're applying for qualifications that's below a bachelor's degree, say a diploma in management, then immigration will ask, what is the reason why you're downgrading to a lower qualification? So you need to have sufficient basis to explain why you're wanting to change your career, or there's a genuine reason why you want to pursue that type of qualification. Another factor is age, obviously. So if you are already at a mature age and you're looking to start and study a full-time qualification, immigration is going to be questioning, well, what is the reason that you're trying to study at this age or at this stage in your career? Provided that you have a sufficient explanation that makes sense and is reasonable, then immigration should be able to issue that student visa for you. We trust that this video has been helpful for your application, but if you have any further questions or if you have any queries, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our details are below.